Did you know the DevOps market is estimated to reach around $57.3 billion in 2032, that is, growth of 90% in last 5 years? So why DevOps? DevOps is a partnership between operations and development that enables automated and repeatable software development and deployment. The firm can provide software applications and services more quickly thanks to DevOps. It enables businesses to provide better customer service and engage in more robust market competition. DevOps can be summed up as an improvement in communication and collaboration between development and operations. Why choose VaST ITES? 1. We have extensive industry experience. 2. We help increase efficiency and automation. 3. We provide tailored solutions unique to each business. 4. We implement infrastructure as code. 5. We constantly monitor and log by integrating latest DevOps tools. 6. We have a skilled team of professionals that follow customer-centric approach. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, www.vastites.ca. Call us at +1 31272 49560. Mail us at info@vastites.ca.